Hey guys, Kera here with Nitrofit. Today I'm going to be walking you through a variety of stretches with our Limber Pro. Make sure that your seat is securely locked in a setting that fits you. Put your hands in the safety straps and get ready for 15-second rounds of each stretch, plus a few extras. If you want to hold a stretch for longer, just hit pause. Let's get started. Grab the handles with an overhand grip. Place the bottom of your feet together, with your knees facing outward, and lean back until you feel stretch in your groin and inner thighs. Next stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, bring your knees together on the knee pad. Place your feet in the pedals and lean back until you feel a stretch in your lower back. Then hold the stretch. Next stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, grab the handles with palms facing up and perform the same stretch. Lean back slowly, focusing on the stretch in your upper back. Next stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then extend your right leg out so that the back of your calf is resting on the edge of the knee pad and lean back. Straightening your leg will intensify the stretch in your hamstring. Get ready to switch your legs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. If you feel any discomfort in the back of your leg, try scooting back just a bit on the back pad. Now with an overhand grip, cross your left arm over your right arm and lean backwards until you feel a nice stretch in your shoulders. We'll be switching arms in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. During these stretches, focus on your breathing and relax. Next stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your left leg over your right knee and lean back slowly. You should feel a nice deep stretch in your hip and glute. Switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ease into the stretch if you feel any discomfort. You will gradually increase your flexibility the more you do it. Now return the seat to the starting position and remove the armbands from your wrist if you're wearing them. Go ahead and flip the seat backwards. Then grab the handles and place the top of your right foot on the top of the knee pad behind you. Go ahead and bend your knee slowly until you feel a comfortable stretch down in the front of your thighs. Bending your supporting leg will deepen the stretch. Next exercise in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently flip the seat back down, get in the machine, and extend your right leg toward the left handlebar. Then grab the right handlebar with both hands and lean back. Adjust your position so that your hands are crossing in opposite direction of your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, adjust the calf stretch board to your desired height. Grab the front-facing handles, place your left foot on the board, keeping your heel down, and lean forward into the stretch. Get ready to switch legs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, put both feet up on the slant board. Try to keep your heels down. If the stretch is too intense, then try lowering the slant board down a level. If you're feeling up for the challenge, stay with me for some advanced stretches. Slide your seat back to its furthest setting. Place your left knee on the pad with your foot on the pedal. Move your right leg forward. Keep your posture straight, chest out, shoulders back, and lunge into the handlebars. Get ready to switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a great stretch to do if you sit a lot and want to relieve that lower back pain. Now make sure you have the calf stretch board for this one. You need it to weigh down the front of the machine while you stretch. Then slide the seat forward so that it's out of your way. Go ahead and grab the handles with an overhand grip. Move your feet onto the back legs of the machine. Lean back slowly while pivoting at the hips. To exit this stretch, step forward before standing up. Lastly, here's another way to stretch out your quads. Grab the handlebar with your left hand. Reach back with your right hand and grab your right ankle. Pull your ankle towards the middle of your back to intensify this stretch. Now go ahead and switch your legs. Remember to repeat each stretch up to 3 times. Okay, that's it. We're done. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you next time.